Cosmic Frog for Excel applications provide alternative interfaces for specific use cases as companion applications to the full Cosmic Frog supply chain design product. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Excel application for Intelligent Greenfield. And this application is specifically focused on understanding the optimal number of facilities that are required for a given demand and supply profile. The application will allow the user to specify the demand quantities and optionally the supply quantities, provide information on existing facilities that must be part of the solution, as well as specific candidate facilities that must be considered. We can also define fixed cost and throughput capacities for the facilities, as well as variable costs associated with the supply and demand. Running the Intelligent Greenfield engine will also automatically generate additional candidate facilities that can be considered, and the Excel application will return both the optimum facilities as well as the demand and the supply allocation within that supply chain. So firstly, let's take a look at running the app as a user. So let's open up the Greenfield app, and because it's a macro enabled spreadsheet, you'll need to enable the content. We will need to go and get our app key from the Optologic platform, so we can go to our account, app key management, and we can paste that key straight into the app. And then because this is in a synchronized cloud drive, we'll need to go and get the path that the app is sitting in, and we'll need to add that in to the local path. And then as the app user, we'll put in demand data with a lat long for each of our customer points. We can optionally add supplier data with a quantity that's available to be delivered into the supply chain. And we can also add facility data. So here we've got an existing facility in Atlanta that must be opened. We can also add candidate facilities and specific facilities that we want to be considered as part of the solution. And then we're also able to define settings for the Greenfield, whether we want to optimize and have the optimal number of candidates returned, or whether we want to specify the number of facilities we want in the solution. Then we can put in unit costs for fulfillment and procurement. We can generate many candidates to be considered, or only use the candidates suggested in the facilities input sheet. And then we can also put fixed costs and capacities and minimum throughputs. We can also decide what size of container we want to run it on. So even though we're running it from an Excel app, we still have all the scalability of the Optologic platform. And we can also give it a scenario name. Now we can simply run the Greenfield, and that will export all of the data. We'll upload it to the Optologic platform, and then it will update the model and run the Intelligent Greenfield. And now we can see it's completed successfully, and I've got a nice message telling me that I can go and review both the facility summary and the flow summary results. And if I go to the folder in which the Excel app has been run, I can see that I've got my results for both the facility summary table and the flow summary table. And if I open that up, we can see all of the demand and supply allocations to the facilities that were selected as part of the Intelligent Greenfield.